Located on the outskirts of the gateway to the mountains in Alberta's Kananaskis Country, the Yates Mountain and Barrier Lake Lookout Trail stands as one of the most popular and scenic hikes in the Canadian Rockies. From the shimmering turquoise waters of Barrier Lake to the sweeping panoramic views at the Fire Lookout, this trail perfectly captures the untamed beauty of the Rockies and the vast Bow River Valley in every frame. The journey begins along the lakeshore, where the chilly winds and crisp air remind you that winter is near. As the trail climbs steadily through dense pine forest, the views gradually open up, revealing Barrier Lake, Mount Baldy, and the rugged surrounding peaks. The constantly shifting light, clouds, and colors make this hike a dream come true for photographers and cinematic storytellers.
Il nostro amore lo viviamo io e te, nessuno sa la verità, neppure il cielo che ci guarda da lassù. Insieme a te io resterò, amore mio, sempre così. Parla più piano, vieni più vicino a me, voglio sentire gli occhi miei dentro di te, nessuno sa la verità, è un grande amore, mai più grande esisterà.
The views from Barrier Lake Lookout are absolutely breathtaking. We paused here to take photos and soak in the stunning scenery before reluctantly continuing our climb toward the summit of Yates Mountain. Reaching the Yates Mountain summit, 1,974 meters, rewards hikers with an awe-inspiring 360 degrees panorama. The historic Fire Lookout cabin, perched dramatically on the peak, adds a nostalgic and cinematic charm that feels straight out of a mountain adventure film. From this vantage point, the Trans-Canada Highway, Highway 1, winds through the Bow Valley, framed by a sea of snow-dusted summits. Truly one of the most spectacular views in all of Kananaskis. Whether you're filming a cinematic vlog, capturing a sunrise, or simply hiking to reconnect with nature, the Yates Mountain Trail delivers unforgettable moments. The combination of Barrier Lake's blue-green waters, towering summits, and ever-changing clouds and light makes it a perfect destination for adventurers and storytellers alike. So lace up your boots, bring your camera, and let the natural beauty of Kananaskis inspire your next cinematic journey. Be cautious though. The Fire Lookout and helipad are private property and access is restricted. Please respect the area and enjoy the views from a safe distance.